Hey guys, Daryl from Spin Customs here. I'm going to show you guys how to use my assemble file and the Glowforge Basic to create bigger stuff, like an 18-inch monogram. Let's do it. Forge here, we're going to show you how we do it. So I'm going to upload the design that I've created here. This is the multi-layer monogram design. I have all kinds of different designs in my shop that assemble together the same way so we can make larger items. So here we go. We've got the artwork brought in, and as you can see, it's a lot bigger than the bed itself. That's because we're going to print pieces. So this is going to take 3 sheets. So we have the first one here, and as you can see it, when it turns red, we know it's safely on the bed. And we've got it all within the parameters. So we're going to print that one. Then we'll bring the bottom section on, print that one. And then we'll bring the badges and the name tag on. So we'll bring that up to make sure it's red. And the name here, I'm going to bring right inside this, the frame. So you can actually just print out the letters. You don't have to do it like this, but I created this in a vector program. So you can just type out letters if you want and glue them on afterwards. So it takes 3 sheets in total. So I'm going to get ready and I'm going to print sheet 1. We're going to set focus. And there we go. It is ready to print. So make sure it's still on the board properly. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Looks good to me. Let's get printing. 5 minutes for the first section. Pretty darn good. All right, guys. I'm going to go and hit print, and we'll print this whole thing. Let's make something awesome. You ready? Let's do it. Woo! Here we go! First piece is done. That was only just over 5 minutes. I'm going to take this one out, go upstairs, flip the artwork around, put another board in, and run piece number 2. Total of 3 pieces. That's it. Let's do it.